Hey, what's going on, guys? Frankie here with Unbothered Outdoors, coming to you for the first time with my first YouTube video. A lot of y'all have asked when I'm going to start one, telling me I should start one. Well, finally did it, so here we are. It's going to be a lot of fly fishing, conventional fishing, hunting, outdoors, things related, tips and tricks, how-tos, what gear I'm using, what gear I'm not, maybe tie some flies, how to tie my leaders that I tie, anything like that. So in the comments, go ahead and let me know, reach out, let me know what you guys want to see, where I'm fishing, what I'm looking for when I'm fishing, anything like that. So just let me know. But hopefully I can get one out every week, if not one every 2 weeks. We're gonna slowly grow and slowly get better at this. It is my first video, my first time ever putting together a video by myself. So let's see how it goes, and without further ado, let's get to the action. Alright guys, so this morning I'll be throwing a 8-weight LowCo rods, Marsh MX, paired with a Nautilus CCFX2 6-8 with Scientific Anglers Bonefish Plus. I really like that one. It's got a really good shooting head. Short shots are great. Longer shots, I can really get that cast out there. And then paired that with my Laguna Madre Candy. It's hard to see here, but a black and purple fly. It's been working really well with these murky waters here. These fish are really just seeing a silhouette. And I used to throw really white and pink, but this black and purple has been fire lately. So see what else we can get into, boys. I guys got one right here in front. Got him. Got him. Oh yeah, baby. Good red. Good red. Come on, buddy. Oh, there's another one right behind him. Holy smokes, look at that. Check that out. Hey Meta, start recording. Ooh. Check that out. Awesome 2 spots. Awesome redfish. Awesome. On the blurple, 2 spots. Great fish. Great eat. You had another one with him right behind it. I tried to get on him too, but it's okay. First redfish of the day. Boom. Beauty. Alright, buddy. There he goes. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a huge wake and a big old redfish pushing off over there, chasing bait all over the place. Kind of pushed up against the shoreline just a tad, but they're coming on and off of it here. I just saw them right now. Got one right there. Hey Meta, start recording. I lined him. That's a big red right there. He's still there. He just turned a little bit. Right in front of him. Tick. Nice and easy. Oh, I hit him with the line. Gosh, I missed him. Lined him. That'll happen. They got a good one right here cruising. Real slow. Man. Got another one over here. I'm a little to the right of him. Oh my gosh. They can feel it. That's a big trout. I got a big trout right here. Got it. Got him. Got him. And there's another red right behind it. Look at that red right there. Look at that one right here, guys. Holy smokes, that's a good one. I got the little one of the group. Let's see if I can get to him quick. Got some fight in him. Come here, buddy. Come. That's a good one right here. Come on, buddy. Good, thank you. Look at that, bam. Got another one. Nice little red. Like in the blurple. I don't know, I may change flies here shortly because I don't know. A lot of them are looking at it and just not wanting it. Alright guys, we'll change to this white Laguna Madre Candy I've been making. Pink eyes, pink small eyes. So get it down a little slower, work it a little bit better. See if they like this. The blurple's been okay, but I've been having way too many fish just looking at it and take off, so maybe they want a little brighter profile, chasing some shrimp. Let's see how it goes. All right, there, swimming away. Right in front of him. Got him. Got him. Oh man, he's fucking. Oh, he ate it and spit it. No. Oh, I still got him. I still got him. Got him, baby. Woo! Man, that boy took off quick. I thought I lost him. Reel. Still on him. Boy, there's a whole school of mullet there. Look at that. Put that spot lock on. Guess they like the white. Another one. Look at that. Beautiful red. Another white one. All right, let's go. Going right here, cruising. Where'd he go? All right, he's facing left. Yeah, like the white. Nope. Got some tails, got 2 pack right there. Got him, got him, yep, yes sir. Oh, he's gone, he's gone. That's a good fish. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Woo! Just swimming right at the boat. What an eat. What an eat, guys. Oh, man. There he goes. God. What a great fish. What a good fish. Put the power pole down. He ate it once, spit it out, and came back for it second time. Swim in circles around the boat. I will say that what's crazy is how these barges come through and pull out all the water. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pulling out all the water, and as soon as it passes by, it just sucks it back in. Water's about to get really dirty. Come on, buddy. Oh, what a great fish. Oh, what a great fish. Look at this. Let's see. Right at 24. Boom. I got a school of reds right here. You can see all their tails. Check them out. Oh man, they didn't want it. You missed it. Dang it. Got one right here tailing. Oh, right on him. What I get? Oh, another flounder. Look at that little flounder on the fly. Got a tail right there. Go right there. Oh, right in front of me. Got him. Got him. Yep. Got him. That's a good fish right there too. That's a good fish. Good eat. Chased it, stopped it, hammered it. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Come on, buddy. We got some fight in him. No spot on this side. Got a little baby one right here. I love it. Gotta love it. Well guys, on that last one, my camera decided to die as I was reeling it in, but got it in, 24-inch red, pretty solid bite, good release. So on to the next one. Got some tails right here, looks like 2. Behind them. There it is. Oh, that one didn't like that. There's the other one. Oh. Oh. One right here, tail out of the water kinda. There's 2 of them right there. Short. You didn't see it yet. There it is. Oh my gosh. Work him again. Got him. You gotta keep working them, baby. Keep working them. They may get scared the first time, but they may go after it again. Oh no, oh no, oh shit. Uh-oh. Line management, boys. Line management. There you go. Is he still on? Yep, I still got him. Oh man, line management, guys. That's the biggest key with fly fishing. Make sure you're always clear. He's still on, thankfully. Whew. One of the tips I can give you right now is make sure your line is clear of everything. If it's not, you're gonna have to hand line them in. Good fish. Spooked him. Got that reaction bite. That's what I was looking for. This is why I love this. Bow hunting for fish. Get him out of that grass. Come back here, put my power pole down because I lost my damn remote last time I was here. LowCo rod handles freaking reds like it's no one's business. Love these things. Handcrafted out of Georgia. Yeah, that's a pretty fish. Look at that tail. God. Oh. Boom. Look how pretty that tail is. Hammered it. Little 22. Yeah, I got two. I got one right here. I got one right here. Which one's the bigger one? This one looks nicer. Oh, there's another one right there too. God, they're all right here stacked up. Let's move this one right here. I'm behind them. There it is. Got him. Oh, he spit it. He spit it. Oh, I lined that one. Fuck. Dang it. Got him. Stop this because there's another one in the sand. Let's see if I can get that one after this. Oh shit, I almost fucking fell. Ugh. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for today. The wind's picked up super bad right now, so it's really tough to keep the boat straight and really try to get some good casts. But good day overall. Ended up with, I think, 9 or 10 reds boated. One surprise flounder, which was super weird to me, but got another flounder on the boat, got some good reds, got some good action. So like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you guys want to see. I'll be doing a lot of fly fishing. I know there's not many down here in the Laguna Madre that are doing YouTube for fly fishing, so I'm going to do a lot of that. And then some side casting stuff. You guys want to see some fly tying, you guys want to see how to make your own leaders or anything like that, just let me know. You can always reach out to me at Unbothered Outdoors as well. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.